In the small town of Willowvale, where the sun seemed to always shine a little brighter, a group of children gathered on the dusty field every afternoon to indulge in their favorite pastime, football. Among them was Alex, a determined young boy with a passion for the beautiful game that burned as fiercely as the midday sun. With makeshift goalposts marked by stones and jerseys fashioned from old t-shirts, the children transformed the humble field into a battleground of dreams each day. They would divide into teams, their laughter and shouts filling the air as they chased after the ball with unbridled enthusiasm. On one particularly hot summer afternoon, as the children raced across the field, a stranger appeared on the sidelines. It was Mr. Patel, the owner of the local grocery store, his weathered face breaking into a smile as he watched the youngsters play. Sensing an opportunity to give back to the community, Mr. Patel approached the children with an offer they couldn't refuse. "I've been watching you play, and I must say, you have talent," Mr. Patel said, his eyes twinkling with excitement. "How about we organize a proper football match? I'll sponsor it, and we can invite teams from neighboring towns to compete." The children's eyes widened with excitement at the prospect of a real football match, complete with uniforms, referees, and cheering spectators. With Mr. Patel's support, they set to work organizing practices, designing team logos, and spreading the word far and wide. As the day of the match approached, the anticipation reached fever pitch. The children's enthusiasm was contagious, and soon the entire town was buzzing with excitement on the day of the match. The field was transformed into a sea of colors as teams from neighboring towns arrived, their supporters cheering them on with fervor.